There's a saying that sometimes you must go slow to go fast. This is something labyrinth walkers intuitively understand. To counterbalance the frantic pace of life today, it's wise to step out of our schedules to pause, reflect, and recalibrate. We use the labyrinth to navigate our busy lives and the often chaotic world in which we live. Veriditas embodies this idea by offering programs and events that are all about mindful ways to do exactly that. This year, with our workshops, webinars, pilgrimages, facilitator trainings, and weekly handheld labyrinth walks, we offered almost 100 ways to go slow to go fast with our most robust calendar ever. From our first event with renowned cosmologist Brian Thomas Swim, we began exploring the ever-changing, creative, and fascinating universe story and our role in its ongoing evolution and unfolding. And we never stopped, because every Veriditas event gave us new insights and creative ways to understand ourselves and create positive change in the world. With almost a dozen new workshops, Veriditas offered a richness of ideas and experiences that continues to move the Labyrinth revival forward. For example, we contemplated our own river of life and learned creative ways of journaling to deepen and inform our Labyrinth practices. We considered the intersection of Labyrinth meditation and nature therapy. We learned to create labyrinths at summer school. We got creative with soul collage. We nested into the metaphors of Celtic tree wisdom. We explored ancient myths and modern applications for labyrinth practices. We used the labyrinth to process challenging times and hold equanimity in the face of adversity. And we didn't need magic slippers to walk away with life lessons in self-compassion and recovering one's true self with imaginative workshops based on the stories from The Wizard of Oz. Of course, while Dorothy learned there's no place like home, there's also nothing like going on pilgrimage either. This year, Veriditas made 2 Chart pilgrimages. In June, even the most seasoned Chart visitor learned something new about the cathedral's celebrated and hidden treasures, including the cherished labyrinth. In September, we were fascinated by the topic of cosmogenesis and finding meaning and beauty in the universe. For those who couldn't come to Chart, we offered an amazing multi-session virtual experience called Direct from Chart. We also supported an unforgettable pilgrimage to some of Sweden's stunning and historic outdoor classical labyrinths. And we co-sponsored World Labyrinth Day and the newly updated Worldwide Labyrinth Locator website. Of course, at our heart, Veriditas educates people about labyrinths, how to use them, and how to introduce others to the practice. We're proud to have trained over 130 facilitators and advanced facilitators around the world this year. We now have affiliated programs in Australia, Hong Kong, and the UK. Along with the Veriditas Council, we support our facilitators with ongoing learning, meetups, renewal days, and conversations with our founder and faculty. It has been an amazing year of exploration, growth, support, and community. And we can't wait to continue the journey next year, along with you.